In this video, we will see how to create a move ticket for parts on a work order. Move tickets are valuable when you want to move a partial quantity onto the next operation, but will still ship with the entire work order as one line item. And so here we see that we are looking at the sample fabricated part and work order 388 is a quantity of 25. We are going to create a move ticket to move 5 pieces from the laser onto deburr. And so we see that the printed work order looks like this. And in the upper right-hand corner you have this barcode. Underneath the barcode, it informs you that this is used for shipping, quality, move tickets, and part viewing. So with our scanner at the scanning station, when we're clocking into an order, we scan the barcode on the work order. We will scan this barcode. And we'll see that we have an option for move ticket. We will click on Move Ticket. And we will type in 5 pieces is what we're moving. And we're moving that from the laser to deburr and then who is doing the move. And so we'll say it's demo admin and we will create the move ticket. And we'll see that the move ticket has been created showing that it is moving from laser to deburr. Now if we go back to that part when we look under the labor for work order 388, scroll to the bottom, we will see that demo admin moved 5 pieces from laser to the deburr. And so we can keep track of the parts that have been moved. And that's how to create a move ticket within FloorVisio.